Hey Vintage Beauties, so I got a new wig on. This is Sheila again, so I'm not going to do a review because you saw her before, but today is the barbecue that my wonderful coworkers are throwing for me since I switched offices. And I'm going to miss working with them, and so my coworker decided to throw it at her house, and so we're going there today. I am making my infamous fruit salad, so I have to go to the grocery store to go get that. This is my little outfit of the day. I will be vlogging for 2 days because it's my sister's 18th birthday tomorrow, and me and sisters are going out to celebrate. So let's see if I can put this here. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. I think you saw when I thrifted this entire outfit minus the shoes. I need lotion on my feet, but these are actually way too long, but it's giving me that 70s vibe. I know I'm kind of not in the right lighting. Let me try this on this way. Okay, that's a little better. So this is giving me that 70s vibe because of the pattern and the colors. And so I did my makeup, and I decided I wasn't going to do it, but I said I'm going to go ahead because I'm going to do it tomorrow for my sister's birthday, and I just don't like doing makeup that much. Let me try to go into a better lighting. So I went back and used my Fenty Beauty, just the matchsticks, just the highlighter and the concealer. I still use my black opal because that Fenty is a little too dark for me, and I need a 440 or 430 because I have really yellow undertones, and the 450 is more orange, and I'm more yellow in my undertones. Y'all see I'm trying to find the right light. When you use a natural lighting, you got to get in the right light, especially if you're doing it in a selfie way. Anyway, it's not working. So I'm about to go to the grocery store. I'm going to see if my coworker is okay with me vlogging when I get to her place. Yeah, so this is my makeup, this is my outfit, and this is my new friend Sheila. I know, I don't get wigs more than once, like the same thing, but I've had Sheila before, and I like Sheila. It was just time for the other one to go. It was time. I was tired of it. You know how I do. And Sheila's only $20, so, you know. Anyway, I'll see you guys a little later. I gotta go to this grocery store, and who wants to go to the grocery store with me? Nobody, because I don't even want to go with me. Okay, I'll see you later. So, Vintage Beauties, it's the end of the day, and I didn't vlog a dang thing, but I'm gonna show you my outfit that I wore. I got this 70s. Hey Vintage Beauty, so it is the end of the day, and as you see, I didn't vlog anything. So all I can do is show you my outfit of the day. I got this 70s look going on. This is completely thrifted from Savers. So my top, I believe, was like $2, and my pants, which are the 70s print, were like $3, I believe. And I just paired it with a choker and this necklace that I've been had. Yeah, I put my little falsies back on. What you call those things? I don't know. I did my makeup as I stated before. So yes, this is it for today. I will definitely vlog tomorrow for my sister's 18th birthday. So stay tuned. I will show all of that together and finish this video off tomorrow. She only want to go to Cheesecake Factory. And she want to go to Cheesecake Factory when she graduate high school. Cheesecake Factory ain't the place to be. I'm going to need my baby sister to live a little. Okay? Anyway, until we meet again tomorrow, Vintage Beauties. I was missing Rihanna, y'all. Look at this. And y'all see Sheila. She rocking. Everybody loves Sheila. So when we were having our team meeting, I introduced everyone to Harmony in our meeting. I was like, there's a new worker here. Her name is Harmony. And they were like, Harmony? Who's Harmony? I'm like, she wants to introduce herself. So y'all know I'm going to be me no matter where I'm at, even at work. Anyway, Vintage Beauties, I will see you tomorrow. And I will completely do a full outfit of the day. And it's going to be my mama Vintage Beauties. So you just saw my outfit of the day, or I'm gonna post it later. I'm about to take my kids to my mother-in-law's house because they are not going to Cheesecake Factory with me. You know why? Because that makes the bill go up, 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 and your girl ain't got time for it. Okay. Yeah. So this is a quick little look at my makeup. I'm trying to improve on my eyeshadow skills. I did that little glitter shimmer, trying to match with my outfit though. And look at my glasses, they match too though. Okay, your clothes trying to do something, because you know I'm finna be with my sisters, and y'all go see them in a minute. I'm the oldest of 8. I already told y'all that though. But I'm about to be with my sisters, and you know I gotta be fly because my baby sister, the last of the amazing 8, just turned 18 today. So we're going to the Cheesecake Factory for her birthday. I don't know if I said this already because that was earlier in the day, and yeah, I forget things. But yeah, so stay tuned. You will be with us later at the Cheesecake Factory. Hopefully we don't act a hot mess, because when I get with my sisters, they turn up just as much as I turn up. Okay? Anyway, stay tuned, Vintage Beauties, and enjoy this weekend vlog with me, okay? Deuces. What's looking? So,
no,
yep.
It's outside.
This is my baby sister, the one I was telling y'all about, whose birthday it is. You know you can switch that out. Your nose ring, you don't have to keep it that big, that long. One girl, hi monkey butt. So this is the one who always clowning my subscriber count. It's slowly growing. With my nephew, look at my cutie. He's so cute. This is the newest baby to the family. Look at him. Look at him. Say hi, Max. Say hi. Stop showing out. You know you want to eat.
I told you, you might want to go out because you're going to have your baby out there. So you might want to see the weather too.
Wow.
Out there, didn't feel too bad. What is it? That's for YouTube, right?
Is it?
Please don't put me on that.
You can tell me what to do with my phone. Let me see my nephew. Come in there, Sheepoo. Say hi. Don't act like grandma. Man, you are showing out. Thank you, monkey butt. So, as I told y'all, we may just turn up. What? Look. Ooh, I should do your face. Mom, stop. I told y'all. Don't call DCF. Don't call DCFS. She just joking. So, yeah, it's her birthday. She 18. Turn up.
Do the baby color.
No, that's embarrassing.
She's trying to act shy. So, yeah.
I like your camera.
Wait, you have the same phone.
I don't know why. I can't talk about it.
Black people always trying to lie. We got the same dang phone.
That's why I told you to go.
This is Nash mom. Nash always, look, he always acting up, trying to hide.
Wow, I see that.
Really, Nash? My mom over here talking mess. I told y'all she gonna be the one that don't want to be in the video. She said, what?
Is that Kiki Palmer downgrade?
So there's one sister who is notoriously late. Like, I don't even think she's gonna make it in time. And then she's gonna be trying to come order food, but we'll see. Max acting up again. Max sleep, probably dreaming about food.
He's so
My nephew. Such a baby. Nobody offered to carry his car seat. It's what we like to do. So just hold on until we get to our table, and then we will be back. Okay, the one that's always late is finally here. So, baby sis got her while her older sister's stealing it and literally wearing it. She's seen how it smell by actually wearing it. So here's Dra. Look, she always make her late arrival trying to bring Jimmy Choo and pink napkins.
Stop about the party.
It's almost over.
No. I'm talking about the after.
Look at Mom.
Oh, I know her eye look funny. So we got with the sun in the camera.
Look at her. Look at her. Shawnee, show that money. Show her what it's about. She got those lashes done, so that's how we do. Let's try to put this here.
You sound like what's her name? The auntie from Fresh Prince.
Oh, nobody.
You always talk like that, honey. He said, so that's how we do. That's the way she said, so that's how we do.
Thank you. I had her before this, Sheila.
And this
You thrifted for $1.
pick up. Happy birthday to yourself.
No, it was $10.
Say that word.
Look at Drud. Look at Drud. She's re-examining my birthday. My thrifted outfit.
You want to taste it?
Monkey boy, you might be getting it. Wow, Mom literally moved so she wouldn't be in it.
Oh my goodness.
Monkey boy, but you not in it. I don't like it.
Because look, peanut butter makes you all shopping.
No, it's fine. You said who did that? Who? Will you? Did she have a black eye? I'm gonna say no. I thought so much I don't even know. That's sad, Jaden. Shauna, you guys sit right here so you can be in the film. Everybody get that too? There, wow. There you go. You don't want to be in it? Look at Matt's face peeking through. We'll come back when we have our food. So y'all can watch us eat. Because everybody wants to see somebody eat, right? Alright, we'll be back. So, my food was nasty.
Can I have 2 of these like little cups, the sauces?
I don't know.
Do she get something? Because she's a
Dre, you do? She wants one. He said she get a happy song. She wanted to see it. My food was nasty.
Yes. How do you get on the sides?
Cheesecake Factory ain't all that. It's just.
You ready?
Oh, you want one? Let's pause this because she asking for tea. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Ah! Be good. Look, my hand ain't even doing that.
Make a wish.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you, because I wish I could capture. Record.
It's just snap a picture of it.
Start on the dessert now?
One apple.
Okay.
Mash one that tastes like no, it's actually right. Oh no. Red mash. Mash thing.
Why I'm still recording? Y'all, I don't even know if I was recording, but done with Cheesecake Factory. It's not all that, like I stated. So I am on my way back to my car from this little place. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, this weekend vlog. It was kind of a little sketchy here and there because, you know, when you filming and doing everything and at the same time being a wife and a mother, it's a little hard to get the footage you need sometimes. But I tried. My next goal is to get me a camera. Lord willing, whenever that happens. Let's see, no cars coming. Good thing about this Cheesecake Factory, it is by the beach. So we could see the beach from where we're at. So people are renting bikes and stuff from here. It's a nice location. That's the one thing that this Cheesecake Factory has going for it is the location. So now it's time for me to go. Yeah, so I think that's about it. It is so warm now. We sat outside, and so it's a little bit cold. Kind of cold, but overall, a nice day. Happy birthday to my baby sis. You saw her in the video. Yeah, so anyway, Vintage Beauties. Until next time, peace and blessings. Beautiful.